Mark here from Pondworks. Just out here at a project that we did almost 18 months ago now in Thornlands. And quite often or not, when you see one of our water features finished, they can look quite raw. And one of the big questions we get is, you know, where can we see something that's a bit more complete? So being most of these projects are in private homes, we can't always drag customers along. We do have a bit of a display yard at home. But anyway, I'll spin this around, have a look at this. This has taken almost, as I say, probably just shy of 18 months of growing in, and it's looking truly fantastic. All right, this is a lovely landscape garden. Homeowner here has put a lot of time and effort into it in keeping it look nice and smick. We've just been in here and given this Pondless a little service, and look at that. If you didn't know better, you would say that you were sitting down in the rainforest somewhere, beside a lovely creek. Just absolutely magic and very picturesque. But anyway, that's it from us, guys. If you're interested in any ponds, streams, waterfalls, fish ponds, or goldfish, by all means get in touch with us and let's see what we can help you out with. Cheers, guys.